and welcome back to another review. So today, I'm actually going to be taking in the help of my sister Kimberly, because we are reviewing a Purean Pro Plus new LED teeth whitening kit. Remove stains, 2 times effective, fast results is what it says on the front. Now, I would do it myself. I have capped teeth, so it's not going to do a thing on porcelain. She has natural teeth, however, so she can do it, and she's generally on the lookout for teeth whitening kits, or at least used to be, but she did express interest in wanting to try this, so I applied to the campaign on Thomason, and I got accepted, and here it is. They actually sent 2 of them, even, so most of the information on this actually isn't on the packaging itself. It's on the website, which I have up next to me. And I'm going to cover this part so she doesn't have to. She'll just go over the actual experience with it and the how to use it stuff. But on the back, it says, visit us at Purean.com. Warning, keep gel out of reach of children. Do not use it pregnant or during nursing. Do not smoke, drink, or eat while whitening your teeth. Why would you? Before use, consult your dentist. Products containing peroxides are not recommended for use by children under 12 years of age. Use for periods of longer than 14 days is to only be used under supervision of a dentist. If irritation such as redness, swelling, or soreness occurs, discontinue use and consult a dentist. Avoid swallowing the cosmetic or part thereof. Avoid direct contact of the whitening gel with the gums and or salivary flow. Avoid contact of the product with the eye. Store whitening gel in a cool, dry place and keep away from sunlight and excessive heat. In the box is the LED teeth whitening light, 2 5ml whitening gel syringes, the mouth tray, and the retainer case. So I'm going to open it and show you guys what it comes with. First, it's the little instruction booklet, which she'll go over with you guys too. Let's just remove the batteries from the light for your first use. Open the back of the LED light and remove the clear plastic disc from below the batteries. Reinsert the batteries plus side facing up. Replace the battery door and press firmly on the power to make sure that the light turns on. Step 2, attach the mouth tray to the light. Remove the rubber mouth tray from the retainer case and attach it to the front of the light. The tray should be securely attached to the light before whitening. Step 3, apply gel to the mouth tray. You know, she's just going to read this to you. I'm just going to read the actual steps and not the full things. Apply gel to the mouth tray. Insert light to a tray into your mouth. Wear for 10 minutes. Rinse your mouth. Repeat steps 2 through 6 for 7 to 14 days or until desired results are achieved. Easy peasy lemon squeezy. So, there's that. Hey, congratulations, you won $40. Claim now. I'll have to try and claim that. It also comes with the 2 syringes. I guess these go on the tip there to help aim the syringes. Here is the light itself, which, yeah, we haven't pulled the thing on yet to make it activated, but we'll do that. And then the retainer tray is in here. Oh my goodness. It's in here with the rubber mouth guard. That's actually really soft. Part of me wonders if that would actually double as like a nighttime bite guard. Maybe. Could be reusable for that. So, I'm gonna put these back in here for now for her to use. I won't contaminate them with my hands. So I'm going to close that, but I'm going to read you the info from the website. So this retails for $48.99, so basically $50. You can buy it on Amazon too. The About page says, professional level teeth whitening technology used by dentists. Purean teeth whitening kit combines patented Pro Plus LED light and specially designed whitening gel formula, provides a comfortable at-home teeth whitening experience using the same whitening technology used by dentists. Skip those expensive teeth whitening appointments at the dentist and get professional results that last for 6 months or longer at the comfort of your home. Noticeably wider smile after first use. Teeth whitening kit offers quick results and makes your teeth whiter after the first use. Attachable LED light device activates extra strength bleaching gel to speed up teeth whitening results. It whitens like a $500 professional level treatment. Gentle, at-home stain removal treatment recommended by dentists. 35% carbamide peroxide delivers professional teeth whitening. Save money by whitening teeth at home with our all-in-one kit. Whitening technology used by dentists. Teeth whitening with light technology is the fastest way to get Pearly Whites Ultra Bright. Pro Plus Accelerator Light gives a powerful boost to the whitening gel and speeds up the whitening process. It also has a video, but you guys can look that up if you would like to watch it. It's also got some testimonials that are all 5-star reviews. It's risk-free guarantee with free shipping, 30-day satisfaction guaranteed, safest whitening technology, and fast results. So, there was also another thing on here. What was it? I think it was it the About page or the FAQ? Okay. It was the About page, I believe. So, our story. Founded in 2018, this is actually a pretty new brand, all things considered. We launched the Purean to help people in the US enjoy a more attractive smile. The hassle of going to a dentist's office, going through the stress of the visit, and then paying upwards of $500 for teeth whitening is a process none of us enjoy. Unfortunately, a lack of professional quality alternative options leave many of us wondering if we have no other choice. That's why we decided to develop the Purean Whitening Kit. Our goal was to design a kit that utilizes innovative LED technology and a unique whitening gel to make at-home teeth whitening easy. After months of trying to figure out the right technology and dental-grade whitening solution to use, we came up with Purean. The result is a kit guaranteed to make your smile bright and beautiful. The future of teeth whitening. You shouldn't have to go to the dentist and spend hundreds of dollars to get the smile you want. Purean makes sure that you don't have to. Our kits are easy to assemble and use right from your own bathroom. You don't need a prescription, and the kit is safe to use. Purean makes teeth whitening easier, safe, and convenient. Our mission is to give you a brighter, more attractive smile. This color-stained teeth enamel can dampen your smile and even prevent you from smiling as much as you would like to. Our whitening kit takes years off your smile and leaves you with younger, healthier-looking teeth. What makes Purean kit superior? Fast results. Enjoy a brighter, wider smile in as little as 10 minutes with our kit. Dental-grade technology. You'll find the same LED lighting technology in our kit that your dentist uses in the office. 100% safe to use. Our kits are designed with the best technology and whitening gel and is completely safe to use. Satisfaction guarantee. We offer a 30-day money-back guarantee if you aren't satisfied with the results of our kit. Try the Purean Whitening Kit today. If you've dreamed of a brighter, pure white smile, it's time to try something new. Expensive dental visits aren't the only way. Try Purean Whitening Kit to enjoy the whiter, brighter teeth that you want at a fraction of the price. Now, the FAQ. Okay, this is more expanded upon concerns. Is it safe? All of our products are made in NSF ISO certified and FDA approved facilities. All ingredients are considered enamel safe, meaning that they contain no harsh ingredients and are not abrasive whatsoever. The active ingredient contained in this kit is hydrogen peroxide. This ingredient has proven to be the most efficient at removing both extrinsic stains, those caused by tobacco products along with foods you eat and drink, and intrinsic stains, those caused by injuries to the teeth, medications, and the natural aging process. Based on our clinical testing, consumers using the product demonstrated its use to be both safe and effective. That being said, long-term exposure of any product placed on the teeth can cause sensitivity and discomfort for some. For this reason, only use the products contained in the Purean kit as instructed. Any sensitivity that you may experience should be resolved entirely by skipping one application. In addition, using less gel in the tray overall should alleviate any lingering discomfort brought on by the peroxide. Lastly, it is perfectly safe to use the whitening kit in combination with any whitening toothpaste you may have on hand. How does the Purean light device work? The Purean Pro Plus device uses LED light. This type of light has the ability to penetrate the enamel safely. In doing so, even the toughest stains are eliminated. The use of Pro Plus light to whiten teeth has a 15-year history of safe use. Dentists regularly use this type of light in their practices as it is known to accelerate the action of hydrogen peroxide, significantly boosting whitening results. How long should I use the Purean light device? Instructions included in your kits clearly outline its use. In addition, the device itself is equipped with a notification system that will beep once the lights have turned off, reminding you it's time to remove the device. My Purean light just beeped. What does that mean? Because the light is not always visible while it's in place, it will beep to alert you that the lights have turned off, indicating that you can remove it. How does the light in the Purean light device know when to turn off? 10 minutes of wear time is all the device needs to deliver sufficient light for whitening purposes. At that time, the device is programmed to turn itself off. Can I use the Purean kit if I have extensive dental work? Any dental restorations, including partials, caps, crowns, veneers, and gold, composite, and laminate fillings, will not be affected by the Purean kit. Because the kit only works to whiten the enamel of intact teeth, those who have dental work on their front teeth may notice color changes as the kit begins to work. I have braces. Is it okay? This kit is not advised for use by those with braces. So, yeah, braces, no go. Speak to your dentist prior to using this kit if you have a retainer, recent root canal work, or anticipate dental work in the near future. Medications that stain the teeth may prevent the kit from working. Consulting with your dentist about this possible side effect is advised. Can I use Purean kit if I have a cavity or gum disease? Use of the Purean kit with active dental infections or inflammation is not advised. Anyone with a recent history of periodontal disease management should clear using this kit prior to starting. That would be the other reason why I can't use it, because I always have gingivitis issues. So, yeah, no go for me, but yes go for Kimmy. Can I use Purean kit after my teeth are professionally cleaned? It's best to wait a few days after a routine dental cleaning after using the Purean kit. The reason for this is comfort-based, as your teeth and gums may be more sensitive than normal following a cleaning. Does the Purean kit have any side effects? Tooth or gum sensitivity may occur from using the Purean kit. However, these effects are mitigated by using the product as directed. I swallowed some gel. Should I be worried? It is expected that you will consume small amounts of gel with normal use. However, ingesting large amounts of peroxide can cause stomach upset and nausea. Consult your doctor if you think adverse reactions are occurring. Can I use Purean kit if I am pregnant or nursing? Though there is no reason to suspect harm, pregnant women or nursing mothers should always clear new product use with their doctor. This includes the Purean kit. What if I don't see any results after using the Purean teeth whitening kit? For people with significant tooth discoloration, the use of 2 kits may be necessary, which is probably why they sent 2. Be sure that you are following all instructions each time. For those that remain dissatisfied with their results, the Purean kit comes with a 30-day money-back satisfaction guarantee. What is Purean's return and exchange policy? We fully believe in the effectiveness of our product. We believe in the satisfaction of our customers even more. If for any reason you are not satisfied, you may return your kit within 30 days for a full refund. For more information, check packaging instructions. We can also be reached via email at help@purean.com. What is Stripe? We use Stripe as a payment service provider. Stripe is an American technology company based in San Francisco, California. Its software allows individuals and businesses to make and receive payments over the internet. Stripe provides the technical, fraud prevention, and banking infrastructure required to operate online payment systems. How soon can I expect my refund? All refunds are initiated electronically once your return has been scanned by the carrier center. Typically, your bank will process your refund within 5 to 9 business days after that. Are these gel and syringe refills safe for children? The use of peroxide products is not recommended for use of anyone 16 and under. As such, we do not advise children to use our whitening gel. What is the complete ingredient list? And this is something I found interesting. It isn't on the box or the packaging anywhere. It's only on the website. 35% carbamide peroxide, deionized water, carbapol 970, glycerin, and triethanolamine. Triethanolamine. I think I said it right that time. But yeah, there's not a whole lot else to this. I think they only make the one product. Yeah, they do. So, with that in mind, I'm gonna go hand this over to Kimmy, and she will take it from here, guys. Enjoy.
Okay, hello everybody. I am here to demonstrate for you the Purean LED teeth whitening kit. I am gonna be trying this for the next couple of weeks for Jen. I have been really interested in teeth whitening methods for years. My dentist told me my teeth don't really need to be whitened. As you can see, it's not a big deal. They're kind of white as it is, or pretty white, whatever. But I have tried like every at-home method you can think of and have never really seen much of any results. And I'm just not sure why that is. I've tried baking soda mixes. I've tried other teeth whitening trays and gels and strips and coconut oil, charcoal stuff, everything. So I'm interested to see how this turns out and whether it's anything like the reviews I've seen. Honestly, I'm pretty worried going into this. Reviews did not look good. A lot of people are saying that it made their mouth burn. One review used the words messed up my mouth. I don't even want to know what that means. I'm scared. I don't want my mouth to be messed up, especially because we're still currently in shelter in place where we live in California, so can't really go to a dentist if my mouth gets messed up. So we will see. We have everything in here. So I think Jen has already shown you this, but there's some syringes, a container with the retainers that you will put the gel into, and the light to activate it. So we'll see how this goes. I will see you guys in 2 weeks. Okay, I'm back. It has been 2 weeks. I just finished my last treatment. And I don't know. I mean, it wasn't bad. Honestly, I would say the Purean teeth whitening is all right. I didn't have any of the adverse effects I was really worried about, so I didn't really have much, like any burning or anything bad like that. It did like irritate my gums a little bit. I don't know if you guys can see, it's healed a lot now, but especially at first, like it was kind of like affecting my gums and making my teeth really, really sensitive. But that is normal to a lot of teeth whitening methods. As you can see, I mean, not a huge change. I see a little bit more white, just slightly. So you guys can comment and let me know, or let Jen know what you think, if it looks any more white to you, or if I'm just not seeing it. I don't know. Sometimes when you see yourself every day, or since you see yourself every day, you don't really notice little changes like that. But at least for me, it doesn't seem like a huge difference. So at least for the price point, honestly, of this kit, I would say go buy some Crest whitening strips or something, because like this was not. Like go buy some $5 drugstore something. This was not as effective as I really would have hoped. I don't know why I assumed something being more expensive would be more effective. I hadn't ever tried the syringe tray method before, and it was very easy, and it's kind of fun to just have it in and go do your other stuff and be chilling on your phone, or go read or watch something. But that is my review.